Bogdan, if we look into the kind of public institutions framework, of course, as we said, there are drops in the Black Sea, but what in general should be really somehow assumed as a strategy or as a vision in order for you to create value and for the society, but also public, private firms to create value, and that this goes all hand in hand somehow?
Yes, so as I've been saying, those 7 public policies that we proposed has a very have one central proposal, that of having clear and comprehensive standards for public software in Romania. That would mean that we make sure that software built by Code for Romania, with software built by I don't know, a municipality somewhere in Romania, with a public sector company, would be able to integrate, would have the same standards of data, would have the same standards of accessibility, etc. And they wouldn't become islands, but they would become ecosystems and would be integrated between them. I don't think we can speak of a process of digitization before we have standards of digitization in Romania by law. Basic standards, basic but comprehensive standards. And then we need to look at what happened in other countries that managed successful digitization processes. And I would point out to 2 basic conditions. The first is having the government having capacity to, first of all, assess and understand its needs, because it will never get tech solutions that respond to those needs before itself understand its own needs. And they cannot do this only by employing developers. They need to do this by employing business analysts, by employing software architects, by employing UX designers. And we have a big problem in Romania in that regard, because these jobs are not very popular. These jobs are not being created by the higher education system right now. And these jobs don't have a framework under which they would function in government now in Romania. So one of the public policies that we put forward is creating mixed teams of 1 UX designer, 1 software architect, and 1 business analyst. And these interdisciplinary teams to be sent to public institutions to analyze the current infrastructure and to analyze the needs and to integrate their findings into a real strategy for digitization of Romania.